Reenact today. Take a look at this makeup look I sent a few days ago. Okay, let's start directly before makeup. Haven't used it for a long time. When the weather is cold, it is necessary to moisturize hard. This is very hydrated when rubbed open. And a little bit of fragrance. We will use a more concealer air cushion for the base makeup. Just go directly. Can look. This concealer effect is actually okay. His air cushion is the more hydrated one. Actually, I like the makeup effect. Use this today. Thumbs up for you. The position in the face? Round. I will also wait for him to work for a while. Then I'll give him a small puff and pat it off. Put this bridge of the nose in that position. You can bring your temples when brightening. But we still use RC silk. It's more gentle. Drop it like this. Then do the same nose shadow as you usually do. Outline a nose. The chin is also a little chin to put it in. And one last bit. Just brush it in the face and pat it open for him. Chin. When shooting, just type a V shape. So, don't cover the lighting in the middle for him. Just give him a little color. Then take the eyelids. Pinch the nose here. Try to shoot it in place, which is equivalent to having a little nose shadow exists. Perfect base makeup. It's almost like this before setting makeup now. If you want to set your makeup, you can use any loose one. Powder is fine. Women's clothing will bring a freewheeling. Get a new eyebrow pencil. Turn a little hairy flew out. I use brown. Can this be thin? It feels different all at once. Then just fill it in for him with this eyebrow powder. A pale and lightest color. Use another eyebrow dye. Light brown will do. My hair color is a little brown. We use this. A plate is like this for most people. Instead, set the point first. I like to draw the nose. But I also apply fish meal here and it's over. Then faint left and right. Dizzy in his direction. Look at the back of the nose. Now it's basically a shape. Just came out. Then you want to make him more obvious. You can add 2 deeper lines. Just use a little bit for him here. His overall shape is in. Next is brightening. Where's my little leather brush? This is still dipped in this matte highlight. Draw a little triangle here on the nose. Highest point, draw a horizontal. Then iron it down. Iron it down and you have a little triangle. Like the bridge of the nose, just draw it. There is also an eye brightening, obvious chiaroscuro. Then the brow bone rubs. And a little tear ditch. Can make him. I use a serpentine brush like this. It's lit up here and then printed out. Also here. Labyrinth. Rose. Temple. There is still a contour trimming and laminating glue brush for the first time. Send it to your jawline. Then start smudging up. Smudge, 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 so right. That's right. Eyeshadow is relatively simple, just trim the color. Cover your eyelids. Mainly to reduce swelling. Added a small eyeshadow brush, or dip this color to deepen. This here is to deepen the lower eye tail and eye head. Vertically flat small brush facing. Fixed point in the middle of the part of the yin wing. Then smudge forward and backward. While my Eyebrow Sal is about to jump out. If you think it's too thick, you can press it with this. Press it with the repair side. For double eyelid stickers, I use an olive one. After we open our eyes and face each other. So ugly. This is practice makes perfect. Okay, fit right. It is also normal to weigh whose double eyelids are symmetrical. Our eyelashes are very simple. Just brush them a few times more with a rich type. Be sure to wipe it clean before, since I started wearing light makeup. Almost no false eyelashes. Eyelash base, apply a layer first. I don't know what eyelash primer is. I feel the same. Then just wear the lower eyelashes. Then brush a thicker mascara. Okay. Eyeliner? The brown eyeliner pen is ready. It's not eyeliner, it's eyeshadow. You can also use a separate brush. With this slanted head brush, eyebrow brush is okay. Dip this darker this color. Draw eyeliner at the end of your eyes. Good looking. It's a little bit. Here I think of a mouth blush. A little deeper. The nose, the bridge of the nose is also here. The words on this side. You focus on deepening the middle first. Then row him on. Then draw down. Draw it as a small C. This decoration is really very beautiful every day. Wipe it on the weekend. Just use a lighter one. Similar to almond base. Just look for a similar color. The first step is to use this. Then use your fingers to smudge the edges for him. This is a more natural color. Use another orange one. Twist it in the middle of its lips. Sometimes this has to smudge. That's about the color. It's just 2 colors. This light makeup is over. Really super easy. Go back and try. And mainly without false eyelashes. Really super comfortable. See you next time. Bye bye.